Unit 11. Tape script 11.1. Gareth Malone. 1.
When did he start playing the piano?
When he was 3.
2.
How long has he been playing the piano?
Since he was 3.
3.
When did he start teaching singing?
When he was 23.
4.
How long has he been teaching singing?
Since he was 23.
5.
When did he make his first TV program?
In 2007.
6.
How long has he been making TV programs?
Since 2007.
7.
How many programs has he made?
3.
8.
How long has he been living in London?
For about 30 years.
Tape script 11.2. 1.
My sister's working in New York.
How long has she been working there?
Only a couple of months.
2.
I'm training to run the marathon.
How long have you been training?
Since Christmas. Wish me luck.
3.
My boss is on holiday.
How long has he been away?
2 weeks. It's great without him.
4.
I'm learning how to drive.
How long have you been learning?
Nearly 2 years. I failed my test 3 times.
5.
I know Maria very well.
How long have you known her?
Since we were at school together.
6.
I have the new iPad.
How long have you had it?
I only got it yesterday.
Tape script 11.3. 1.
Why are the students bored?
Because the teacher's been talking for hours and they haven't understood a word.
2.
Why has he got a sore throat?
Because he's been singing too much. He's sung every night for the last 3 weeks.
3.
Why are they so tired and dirty?
Because they've been playing rugby. But they're happy because they've won the match.
4.
Why has he got backache?
Because he's been digging the garden. He's planted 6 rows of cabbages.
5.
Why is she covered in paint?
Because she's been decorating her flat. She's painted 2 walls already.
6.
Why have they got no money left?
Because they've been shopping. They've spent over £200.
Tape script 11.4. I haven't seen you for ages.
Mike, I'm over here.
Sophie, you look great. You haven't changed a bit.
Oh, I don't know. It's been over 10 years. I'm definitely older, if not wiser.
Well, you look just the same to me.
Oh.
Come on, we've got over 10 years to catch up on, and not a lot of time. My plane leaves at 7 this evening.
Tell me about you first. How long have you been working in Madrid? What are you doing there?
Well, I work for a big international IT company, and at the moment I'm based in Madrid. I've been there about 18 months now.
Wow, that sounds important. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, very much. But there's a chance that I'll have to move to Germany in 3 months. That's where the headquarters are.
That sounds interesting too.
Yeah, but I have a Spanish girlfriend now.
Ah, I see. What's her name?
Rosa. You'd like her. She's great fun. We've been going out nearly a year now.
Whoa, that sounds serious. Does she speak English?
Oh, yes. Her English is much better than my Spanish. I started going to Spanish lessons 6 months ago, but I still find Spanish pronunciations really difficult.
I know.
Oh, yeah, you studied languages, didn't you?
Yes, I studied French and German at university. But I've also been trying to learn Swedish for the last few years.
Swedish? Why? Come on, now it's your turn, Sophie. Tell me about you.
Tape script 11.5.
Tell me about you.
Well, I got married a year ago to a Swedish guy, Ragnar Hansen.
Where did you meet him?
We met while I was working in Stockholm.
What were you doing there?
Well, after university, I studied fashion design, and my first job was in Sweden as a buyer for H&M Fashion.
Really? How long did you do that?
I worked there for over 3 years. Ragnar was my boss.
Ah, did you get married in Sweden?
Yes, we did. My parents came over for the wedding.
And do you still work in Sweden?
No, we don't. We've both got new jobs in the UK.
Ah. How long have you been back?
About 10 months. We've been trying to buy a flat since we got back.
So, where have you been living?
With my parents.
Oh.
They're lovely, but it's not great. And we're expecting a baby next April, so we really need a place of our own.
Oh, congratulations. I hope you find somewhere soon. Oh, look at the time. I'll have to rush to catch my plane.
Bye, Mike. It's been great seeing you again. Let's keep in touch from now on.
Yeah, it's been great. Maybe next time you can meet Rosa, and I can meet Ragnar.
Tape script 11.6. Alison's life.
I didn't marry until quite late. I met Ben when I was 30, and we didn't marry until I was 33. That was in 2006. We got married in a church near where my mum lives. I had been engaged before that to another boy, Mark. We'd been together over 10 years, since school in fact, and I think we just got bored with each other. Ben and I had a great honeymoon. We toured America. We were away for 3 weeks. And soon after that, I found I was pregnant. That was Ellen, our first baby. She was born the year after we got married. And 2 years after that, in 2009, we had the twins, Tessa and Tom. They've been keeping us busy ever since. I'm exhausted most of the time, but they're great fun. I'm really glad I married Ben. He's a great dad. I want it to be forever. My mum and dad divorced when I was just 13, and I don't want us to do that.
Tape script 11.7. Good news, bad news. 1.
My wife had a baby last night.
Congratulations! Was it a boy or girl?
A boy, William James.
How much did he weigh?
4.1 kilos.
Oh, a big boy. How are mother and baby doing?
They're fine.
Oh, that's wonderful. Give her my love when you see her.
I will do. Thanks.
2.
Alfie and I have got engaged.
That's fantastic news. Congratulations.
Do you like my ring?
Wow, diamonds. It's beautiful. When's the wedding?
We're thinking of getting married next spring.
I hope I'm invited.
Of course you are. I want you to be a bridesmaid.
Really? I'd love that. I've never been one before.
3.
Have you heard about Bill and Josie?
No. What's happened?
Well, they've been having a tough time recently.
I know, they haven't been getting on well at all.
Well, they finally decided to split up.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. What a shame.
Yes, I always thought they were so good together.
4.
We lost Grandpa last week.
I know. Your dad told me. I'm so sorry. He was a lovely man. Everyone was really fond of him.
He and Grandma were together nearly 60 years.
That's incredible. How old was he?
88.
And how's your grandma coping?
She's okay. She's got her family around her.
Well, I'm sure you all have wonderful memories of him.